Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the bank account that is currently linked to your Cash App account. So the first step is we want to go down to this banking button here, and this is going to take us to the banking section. And what we want to focus on is this linked banks selection right here. Let's go ahead and click on that. And now we can see we have our debit card and our bank account. Now, in order to change this bank account, what we have to do is tap on it, and that's going to bring up this option that we can either remove bank or replace bank. So if we want to replace our bank with a new bank, let's go ahead and click on replace bank. And this is just going to verify that you want to link your bank account. Go ahead and click on continue. And now here we can search for our bank. And if we don't see our bank, we could just tap this search box here and search for it. So in this example, let's just use Chase. So say we have a Chase account, we want to add our Chase bank. All we have to do is enter our user ID and our password to our Chase bank and go ahead and click on submit. And once you click on submit, if you entered your credentials correctly, you should be now linked to your Chase bank instead of your current bank here. But that's pretty much how you can switch the bank account linked to your Cash App account. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe for more content like this. But that's going to do it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.